When I was a young boy, now this is a true story, when I was a young boy, I read in the magic book, you need a whole bunch of jokers to be able to do this trick. And I've got 5 jokers here. So I went into the magic shop up in Harrods, in those days, used to be a magic man. And I went in there and I said, have you got 5 jokers? He said, sure. And he showed me 5 jokers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jokers. Now when I checked them out, on the other side, they were jokers on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jokers. So there's a joker here, there was a joker there, there's a joker here, a joker there, a joker here, a joker there, jokers at both sides of the cards. But I thought, I don't want this. What I want is a blue back. If I do this, I got myself a blue back. In actual fact, when I checked all the cards out, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue backs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But when I read the book again, it said you don't want blue backs, you want red backs. And I thought, well, that's just as well, because these cards here are all red backs. And that's a miracle. There we are.